calculate total assets to debt ratio from the following information. The information given here includes share capital, debentures, reserves and surplus and current liabilities. And from asset side we have fixed assets and current assets. Now students, total assets to debt ratio. Total assets to debt ratio. This is equal to total assets upon long-term debts. How do we calculate total assets? Remember, total assets imply sum total of fixed assets and current assets. So in this case, this is equal to fixed asset plus current assets. Fixed assets are 3,40,000 plus current assets are 2 lakh, given here 340 and 2 lakh. So totaling them out, we will have total assets of 5,40,000. So now we know that the numerator for this ratio, that is total asset, is equal to 5,40,000. Now let us come to long-term debts. Long-term debts include those liabilities which have to be paid after 1 year. So long-term debts they are equal to 12% debentures plus there are like no other long-term liabilities. So this will be the final figure for long-term debts, which is equal to rupees 1,60,000. So now students, we have both the values. Long-term debts are equal to 1,60,000 and total assets that we had just calculated were 5,40,000. Let us use these ratios to calculate total assets to debt ratio. So substituting in this formula, total assets were 5,40,000 and long-term debts are 1,60,000. On dividing them, what we'll have is 3.37. That is approximate answer. It would be 3.375. So students, we can say that total assets to debt ratio is 3.375 times.